Speaking of creativity,
Yeah.
are there creative loans or programs or strategies that buyers should be aware of to take advantage of the homes that are on the market now versus waiting?
Yeah, there are for sure. So I started in 2002 and I worked at a bank for a decade. And I fully believed when I was working in a bank that there were only certain loans that existed and certain loans that didn't. What I didn't find out until I left the bank was that there are other types of loans. There are what we call non-QM loans. QM stands for qualified mortgage. It's a term used in banking, which means it meets a certain criteria. It's underwritten by Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, FHA, or VA, but there are loans outside of that box. There are loans like bank statement loans. There are loans like we have a loan called an asset qualifier, where literally it's like if you have $1 million and you're buying a house that's $800,000, we'll give you the loan because like you already have dollar for dollar the loan, which sounds obvious, but literally I could not do that when I was at the bank. They said, unless you show the right amount of income, we can't qualify you. Right?
Wow.
So I think for me, meeting with a mortgage banker or a mortgage broker, someone that's outside of a big box bank, will give you more options. You may end up going with the bank, going with a normal product, but if you've been turned down by a bank, if you've had someone tell you that it just doesn't work because you don't quite meet the guidelines, I think it is important to talk to someone that just does mortgages for a living as opposed to a bank that, has a stricter criteria. I was amazed when I left the bank. I did not know what I did not know.
Boy, that sounds profound, doesn't it? No, I didn't know.
I did not know what I did not know.